Hey everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to improve your writing style for free using AI. Whether you're writing an essay, an email, or even social media captions, AI tools can help make your text more clear, professional, and engaging. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Google AI Writing Assistant or any free AI text improvement tool online. Once you're there, you'll see a text box where you can paste in your writing. Go ahead and copy your paragraph or sentence and paste it into the editor now. You'll notice different options for improving your text. For example, you can choose make it more formal, simplify, expand, or even make it creative, depending on what you need. Select the style you want, then click Generate. In just a few seconds, the AI will rewrite your text with a polished tone. You'll see side-by-side versions, so you can compare your original with the improved version. If you don't like the first result, you can simply click Regenerate until you find the version that works best. Once you're happy with the new text, you can copy it and use it anywhere in emails, documents, presentations, or social posts. The best part is that it's completely free, quick, and saves you tons of editing time. And that's it. You've just improved your text style using AI in a few simple steps. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to stay tuned.